I want to eat that uni.
Look at the Santa Barbara uni. It's still moving. Can you touch Josh? Oh. We are going to Santa Barbara. It's 66 miles away from here, and we should get there in an hour. Look at the beach, it's beautiful. And that's where we ate last time. The first one over there, right there, is Flor de Maíz, and then the next one we also ate there, Oku. It's the sushi place. We would like to try the other one too, the one with a lighthouse, next time. We ate here last time, Moby Dick, but this time we're going to the other side. Yes. There, at the Santa Barbara. Oh no, it seems like a lot of people going there. Santa Barbara. We'll check this one first. Santa Barbara Shellfish Company. I'm in Santa Barbara.
Let's go.
Love you guys.
Here at Santa Barbara Shellfish Company. And here's their menu. They're quite popular. They have the soups and salads, they have the small bites, they have favorites, fresh from the sea, and then the drinks. Cheers, cheers.
Lobster bisque.
Lobster bisque.
Approved by the boys. Right, JD?
Yeah, this one is the yummiest.
Yeah, you can get the spoon.
Oh, look at the uni. I'm going to make it into shorts.
Okay. I want to eat that uni.
One more time, one more. Josh,
I want to eat this uni.
It's still moving, you see? How's the uni, Josh? Super duper duper duper. I cannot explain yummy, right? Josh is getting another one. Josh likes it so much too.
You guys want one more uni?
Yummy? Super. Can I see your face? Yummy.
It's too much. Stay still.
That's the inside. Oh my gosh, there's nothing inside, but it's still alive now.
Yeah, it is. Look.
I think, yeah,
Look.
I think it's.
Oh my god, this
I think it's the reaction of the nerve.
Look, it's moving.
Another urchin here,
Yummy.
and that grilled lobster.
Oh, for the little boy.
Oh, that's good, man. What do you
There's the
say?
lobster, Josh.
Yeah.
For shelves and tools. I'm gonna have to rest out in just a moment.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Would you like another beer?
In a little bit.
Can I have a little bit of your lobster, Josh?
Wait, now I have a problem.
What?
Why is Uni parked on mommy's side?
There you go. My lobster roll.
Thank you.
Oh, is that the abalone? Oh, this is the lobster
Thank
roll.
you.
This is what we're having. Josh is having lobster, Dad is having abalone, and we have the uni and scallops, and then I'm having the lobster roll.
We're having
Yum,
the
yum.
Uni round 2.
The uni round too. Look at me, Josh. Show it to me.
Lobster.
Yeah.
Half lobster.
The other one is with Daddy. The other half.
Lobster.
Josh, are you going to share this or no?
We can share it.
Okay. 1 second.
Why you breaking? Oh, I get it.
Because I don't think you can get it without that, guys. Ooh, look at this. Isn't that very yummy? Oh my! Butter.
Yummers!
Butter or no?
Thumbs up.
No butter, okay.
My turn.
Daddy's turn.
The daddy of doves.
The onion and the lobster. Next time I'll just order the onion and the lobster.
Mm.
I'm not going to order the lobster roll anymore.
Wait,
It's like,
Daddy's what? Look at this. Oh, oh, that. Oh my God.
it's so
oh my
good,
God.
ba?
So much lobster in the Maine lobster.
So much lobster? Are you
So
done?
much lobster in the Maine lobster. Oh,
So
we
much?
still have this part.
You want more?
Yeah. But if you want more, then you guys can have.
You're giving, no? You're very giving. Even if you like it, you are sharing it. But of course, I'll give it to you. I've eaten way too many lobsters already.
I need
In Maine. Josh, in Maine.
Can you say something?
Yes.
Did you know that lobster has pachuchu and pachichi?
I don't
If
know.
it has 2 of them, then that means it's female. But if it has 1, that means it's
Hey, let me tell you something.
Ow!
Oh, yummy. This is a lot of work.
But for a lot of meat.
But very, very yummy.
Big Mom,
But like not less work than like crabs, right? Crabs.
Mom, you forgot to get the claw meat on this one.
I did. Oh, you found it. It's actually for me. This is for me, right? Ooh, look at this. This is now for me.
Of an abalone shell, and inside is like the mother of pearl. Do you play any Beatles or
Yeah,
Lennon?
Beatles?
Hey,
I just did get back. How about
go.
you say you will love me?
Look here, Josh.
Go
Josh.
Shake it
Look
up.
here.
eat on me. Somehow I will know. Someday when we're dreaming,
We have a band.
red like X and the white is Spanish Empire. That is Spain. The other one is England.
Mhm.
The black bird with the yellow background, that's Russia. You can see Mexico there, right there. There's America there, and like a federal flag or something, and then a California flag. And
The light
I
blue
see.
and white, I think, is Argentina.
Argentina.
kind of, but doesn't have sun.
Oh yeah. They have fish and chips here, chocolate,
Oh,
candy, and more. And then ice cream over there. Here they have popcorn. Let's check this out. Souvenir shops too. This is the ice cream. Where are you guys going? I'm tasting gift shop.
car is gone.
The car is still there.
Maybe they have new items.
This is so cute. I shook my family tree and a bunch of nuts fell out. This one too. You people must be exhausted from watching me do everything. Now we're going home. I think it's too cold for ice cream. And we're leaving now. This is the restaurant that we haven't tried yet. That one. Maybe next time. What is that?
Longboard.
Longwood grill.
Longboard.
A longboard grill.
I want to eat at one of the restaurants here.
There on that side,
And then we
on the
can,
other side
we can
too.
people watch,
Like
no?
here. Yeah.
No, ma?
Yeah. This is another restaurant. This seems popular. The Goat Tree
the
or Goat Tree.
popular ice cream, McConnell. They have that in San Gabriel, no?
Mm-hmm.
Alhambra.